Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, fog lights, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather upholstery, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.